Hello everyone, welcome to the quick yet comprehensive tutorial on how to use the HelloTalk app for language learning. In the next 10 minutes, we'll cover everything you need to know to start your interactive and fun language learning journey. Ready? Let's dive in. So the first step, of course, is to download the app, open the Google Play Store if you are an Android user, or the App Store if you are an iPhone. Well, after that, you just need to search for HelloTalk and then go to download it. And because I already downloaded, I'm just going to show you that the app. Okay, so wait, I'm going to open the app and then show you guys how to create an account. Well, once installed, we just need to open the app and then uh, you'll be prompted to create an account. You use your email, Facebook, and then Google account, as you guys can see here, and then just follow the registration steps, including selecting your native language, and then you want to learn this process is quick, so it won't take more than a minute, as you guys can see here. You guys just need to follow what I do here, like here. Okay. Well, after you successfully creating your account, the next step is to set up your profile. Tap on the profile icon, usually located in the bottom, as you guys can see what I did, and then it's in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you can clear an engaging profile picture. Don't forget to write a short description about yourself, but as you guys can see, I didn't do it yet, so you guys can do it like which picture that you guys feel the best, and then about yourself and your interests and what you're looking for in a language exchange partner. This is really important, guys. And then this information really helps native speaker connect with you better. Also, make sure native language and the language you're learning are correct. If you know or interest in other language, you can add them here too. A complete profile will make you look more approachable to other user. And then you guys can see here, you can add your hobby or your interest. Like I can see, like I did here, like I choose badminton, and then also I choose like several things that I think it's really good for, like that is for exercise. I choose badminton, and then for the music I choose pop and K-pop because I love it. And then the next one is I choose from food, I choose chocolate, I like it. And then movie, I choose horror, and then Korean drama, and then action, and then there is also fiction. I also like it. And then you guys can also choose like a lot of things for your thing, so you will have like some interest with other people from this app. I think it's really important to us to have like maybe like same interest, so we can talk with each other going well, because it's great when we did this thing. We will know how to talk with them, like what thing that we need to talk about other than just learning in English. And then here I think it's really important too, because maybe we can go someday. Here I choose place I want to go. I choose Australia, and then also if I choose America, and then the last one is I choose South Korea. I think it's really good too, and I hope it's really happening for me someday. You also guys can choose which country you guys want to go. I choose South Korea here. Okay, and then after that yeah, I mean it's not done, but you guys can also put whatever like you guys can put, or yeah. And let's explore the main features of HelloTalk. In the home section, you'll see feed of posts from native speakers of the language you're learning. This is a great place to see how they use language in everyday situation. As you guys can see here, I go to the like not live, but chatting, not chatting, but live. I think it's live, but just an audio, and then we talk with some with other people, and then like try to talk with them, and yeah, try to chat with them. We can do we can do that here. So just voice. We also can do live here, and it's really good. And the next one is we have chat tab, which is where all your private conversation what with other user are stored. Also, the moment tab is similar to a social media timeline. Users share same thought, photos, and then question, as you guys can see here. There are literally people who share their thing and then thought, and then this is also they share their moment, their photos. Yeah, as you guys can see here. The search feature is also incredibly useful for finding users based on language or interest. And finally, the Meet tab is your profile hub and where you can find the app settings. And it takes a few minutes to familiarize yourself with the layout and function of each tab. So, hope you can fast familiar with this. And now it's time to interact. First of all, go to the search tab and then use these filters to find native speaker of the language learning who are also learning your native language. This is the best way to find natural beneficial language exchange partner. Once you find someone interesting, don't hesitate to send them introduce message like what I do here right now. Start politely, introduce yourself and mention why you're interested in speaking with them. For example, like I say here, hi, my name is Johan and I'm learning English language and I'm interested in what, like I say here, I literally interested in games, and then you need to know too that it's mentioned in their interest too, so we literally have something to talk about. And would you be willing to practice language together? We need to use this too, because we need to ask them, do you want to learn English with me together? And then remember, HelloTalk provide very useful too within the chat, such as instant translation, grammar correction, and voice pronunciation. Make the most of these features to help you communicate more effectively and confidently. Also guys, we also have things that it's really interesting from here. For example, like we can learn in several languages. For example, like English, Japanese, Korean, Spanish, Chinese, French, German, and a lot of language too. And then as you guys can see here, this is a lot of classes that we can take, like here a lot of country here, like Chinese, Japanese, French, and Italian, Russian, Arabian. And then we can have like speaking, and then words we can learn, how to listening, a lot of things happen here guys. So I think it's really great application that we need to know. And then it's really good too, because we just not any we just not we just not learn, but we also can play while we learning. As you guys can see here, if you want to play, we just start we just start with the game, play, and then and then after that we all do that thing, we just start the game and then try to play the game. And the game is like this guys.
Bread.
Isn't it fun? I think it's really fun when you want to learn English while playing games.
Bread. I bought a loaf
And
of
it's
bread
good.
from the bakery.
Okay, and it's just not that, but there is also translation on this app, and then English AI, there is Notepad, and it's really great guys. This Notepad is good too, from what I know. Yeah. Congratulations, you've now completed this quick tutorial, and you are all set to explore the interactive world of language learning with HelloTalk. Remember, consistency is the key. The more often you use the app and interact with native speaker, the faster your language skill will improve. Happy learning and good luck!